Struggling to get the perfect answer from ChatGPT? Here's a secret. It's not the AI, it's the way you're asking. Stick around because in this video, I'm going to teach you 5 powerful tricks to craft prompts that unlock ChatGPT's full potential. Let's turn your ideas into perfect AI responses. But before that, please join us to motivate to create more videos to help you all. Subscribe and follow us in our mission to grow together. Step 1. Be clear and specific. Instead of asking, "Tell me about business," try this. Can you explain 3 business strategies for beginners in simple terms? See the difference? A clear and specific question leads to a clear and helpful response. Step 2. Add context. ChatGPT loves when you include details. For example, if you're writing a blog, mention your audience and the tone you want. Try saying, "Write a blog introduction about personal finance for young professionals in a casual tone." The more details, the better. Step 3. Use examples. If you want something creative, show what you mean. Instead of saying, "Write a funny tweet," try something like, "Write a tweet like, 'Adulting is just Googling how to do things.'" Examples help ChatGPT understand your style. Step 4. Be open to tweaks. If the first response isn't perfect, don't stress. Just say, "Can you make this more casual?" or "Add a motivational tone." ChatGPT can refine its answers based on your feedback. Finally, Step 5. Ask for structure. Whether you need a list, a script, or bullet points, just ask. For instance, say, "Create a 5-step guide to improve productivity," or "Write a video script with an engaging intro and a call to action." And there you have it. 5 simple tips to get the best out of ChatGPT. Remember, be clear, add context, use examples, tweak as needed, and ask for structure. Try these tips out today and see the magic for yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with a friend. See you next time.